When you want to build your own online community, sell courses, or create a membership platform, one name you may hear again and again is Mighty Networks. Many creators, coaches, and business owners are using it to bring their audience into one private space. But the big question is it really good for the beginners? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And how much does it cost? In this video, we will talk about everything in a simple and clear way so you can decide if it is right for you. Mighty Networks basically an all-in-one community platform. That means you can create your own private community or network where members can join, talk, post, attend events, and even buy your courses or memberships. Instead of using Facebook groups, a separate course platform, and another tool to payments, you can manage your many things inside one system. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools and digital tools without any confusion. If you are thinking about building a community or membership site, you can check the special link in the description to explore the Mighty Networks and see if there is any available offer. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using that link any available discount will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about what you can actually do with Mighty Network. When you create your account, you can build your own community space with your brand name logo inside this space. Members can create profiles, post updates, comment, react, and send messages. It feels like private social network, but it belongs to you, not to another big company. You can also create the different spaces inside the main community. For example, you can make one space for the general discussion, another for premium members, and another for the course students. This helps you to organize your content and keep things clean. Another important feature is the online course. You can upload lessons, videos, and training materials directly inside the platform. If you are a coach, a teacher, this is very useful. You can also charge the people monthly or yearly for the membership access. So it supports subscriptions and one-time payment. Everything is connected with your community. Now let's talk about the good sides. One of the big advantages is that everything is in one place. You do not need any separate tools for community, course hosting, or memberships. This saves time and makes management easier. It is especially helpful for beginners who don't want any technical complication. Another positive thing is engagement. Because member can post, comment, and interact, it creates a strong community feeling. When people feel connected, they stay longer and are more likely to continue buying or paying for the membership. Also, Mighty Network has the mobile app. This means your member can join and interact from their phones, and it is very easy. That is very important today's time because most people use the mobile devices. Now let's talk about some disadvantages also. The first thing that we need to talk about the pricing. Pricing can feel a little high for complete beginners. If you are just starting and you do not have income yet, the monthly cost may feel heavy. So you should think carefully about your budget before starting. Second thing is the platform can feel slightly confusing in the beginning because it has many features. You may need some time to understand how to organize these spaces, courses, and members properly. It is not very difficult, but there is a small learning curve. Another thing to consider is the automation. If you need very advanced marketing automation or deep customization, you may still need other tools. Mighty Networks is powerful, but it may not replace every single software for advanced users. Basically, Mighty Network usually offers different kind of plans depending on the features you need. Lower plans focus more on the community feature, while higher plans allow you to create and sell the courses, use advanced tools, and even build branded mobile apps with your own name. The more advanced feature you want, the higher the monthly cost becomes. So it is important to choose the plan based on your real needs, not just because it looks attractive. So, who should use Mighty Networks? It is a great choice for coaches, course creators, membership site owner, and anyone who wants to build a private community around their brand. If your main goal is community and connection, it works very well. But if you only want a simple course platform without community focus, or if your budget is very tight, you may want to compare other options before deciding. Overall, Mighty Network is a strong option and an all-in-one community platform with powerful features, good engagement tools, and flexible membership options. It is not perfect and it is not the cheapest, but for many creators it can be very solid solution. I hope the review helped you to understand the Mighty Network in a simple way. If the video helped you, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this, and remember to check the description for the special link if you want to explore the platform yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.